Wonderful. I mean, Julie, that's the human face to all of this. And as Nicole said, her grandmother had strong friendships. That's why she went to Newmarch House. I mean, these are real people. They deserve better, I think.
Absolutely, and obviously Nikki has a deepest sympathy. It's tragic what has happened in this facility, and we need to do everything we can, and certainly I will do everything I can to try and get some answers about what has happened here, because Nikki and the families of other loved ones who have tested positive or who have died in this facility, and the staff, they need answers. The public need answers. We need to be rest assured that this doesn't happen again in some other facility. We need to get things right, and we can do this through the Royal Commission. And that's not to say we're going to blame people along the way, but we need to know what happened, and we need to make sure it does not happen again.
Yeah, absolutely. Look, thank you very much for your time, Julie. I appreciate it this morning. And you're right, it's not about necessarily appointing blame or picking on staff or picking on anybody, even Anglicare to an extent. I mean, it's about ensuring we learn lessons. There was never a playbook on this, but that doesn't mean that things that have happened and things that have gone wrong should not be scrutinised. Appreciate your time,
Absolutely.
Julie. Thank you.
Thank you, Margaret.
All right, there she is, the Shadow Minister for Ageing and Seniors, and of course the Shadow Minister for Women, Julie Collins, on the program. Diane Cove-Nigal joins me in the newsroom, from the newsroom. This isn't the newsroom, is it, Di?
No, last time I checked.
These tablets they've given me, wow, at 17 after 8, you know, because I had the old wisdom tooth yanked out yesterday.
Funny, I didn't realise that you'd been to the dentist and you popped in to see me. I mean, apparently I'm the only person in the office who didn't realise.
Yeah.
And then I was looking at you and I'm like, something going on with your face. It's a little bit swollen and you sort of...
That's why.
And then it came out and I'm like, oh, that's not good, but ouch.
Yeah, that's why I came in. The first thing I said to you was, look, if you ever wanted to punch me in the mouth, now was a good time to do it, because I wouldn't be able to feel a thing. Oh boy, oh boy.
So I missed my chance.
No, well look, I tell you, I didn't just get the one needle either. Seriously, it took 5 jabs of this needle, because every time I got a couple to start with, and then the lovely dentist tried to yank. No. That's what Justin said earlier. He reckons he could hear my yelping and my screaming from the studios here, and I was only down on Harris Street in Ultima.
Not that far away.
No, anyway, it was very, look, eventually, after 5 jabs of the needle, I didn't feel a thing. I'm feeling it now, though. It's still very tender, but otherwise I'm fine.
Yeah.